What's the meaning of compromise? Compromise. Compromise.
Compromise. Compromise. Compromise refers to the act of reaching a mutual agreement or settlement where both parties have to give up something in order to achieve a common goal. The result of a compromise is usually a resolution or a settlement that both sides accept and are willing to abide by. This can often involve negotiating, finding common ground, and making concessions. The outcome of a compromise can be positive, as it can lead to a situation where both parties feel their needs have been fairly considered and addressed. However, compromises can also have negative consequences if one side feels they have lost out too much or were not treated fairly.